So one day you're minding your own business, driving down the street, and all of a sudden, boom, you get involved in an accident and you suffer injuries to your body. As a result of the accident, you're entitled to get compensation for your pain and suffering and medical expenses. But the amount of compensation you will recover is based on these 6 factors. My name is Shamsi. I've been practicing law in California since 2007, and I handle personal injury cases. If you've been injured to no fault of your own, you need legal representation. Visit my website and set up a time to meet me or my firm to discuss your case. Also, and if you need more information regarding personal injury cases and facts about the cases, visit my YouTube channel. One of the most common questions I get asked by potential clients is, how much is my case worth? Determining the value of your case is very complex and it's based on a case-by-case scenario. In this video, we're going to discuss the factors that help determine the value of your case. Number 1, your medical expenses. The medical bills as related to your car accident will help determine the value of the case because it shows the insurance company how injured you are. The frequency that you go to the doctor and the complaints that you make to the doctor regarding each specific injury to your body will help determine the value of the case. You just got to make sure to go to your doctors on a consistent basis and address all the issues so that the insurance company determines how bad you've been injured. Number 2, lost wages. As a result of the accident, if you miss any time from work, whether you're an independent contractor or self-employed, it's very important to document the amount of hours you missed from work, and you need to make sure you tell the doctors to give you a permission slip time off from work, because along with the doctor's note and the proper documentation by your employer, you're entitled to get compensated for the amount of time you lost from work. Number 3, pain and suffering. You're entitled to recover pain and suffering as a result of the injuries you sustained from the accident. Pain and suffering is to compensate you for the pain you have suffered from the time of the accident to the time that you have resolved with your pain and injuries. Number 4, property damage. Property damage includes the damage to your direct car, whether it's a total loss or the car is repairable. You need to make sure that at the scene of the accident, you take proper pictures of your car and the other person's car so that you can thoroughly document damages that were sustained as a result of the accident. Also, you're entitled to loss of use as a result of property damage of your case. Number 5, comparative negligence. California is a comparative negligence state, which means your amount of recovery will be reduced by the percentage that you're at fault for the accident. Meaning, if you're 20% at fault for the accident, your recovery will be reduced by 20%. Number 6, insurance coverage. The amount that you are able to recover from the other side who's at fault for the accident is based on the insurance policy that they have purchased at the time of the accident. Meaning, your limit of recovery is up to the maximum of the other person's insurance policy. However, that doesn't preclude you from suing the person personally and trying to go after him for any more damages in excess of the person's policy. You also got to make sure that your own insurance has uninsured motorists or underinsured motorists. As a result of being involved in an accident and all the ins and outs of the policies and the laws that you need to be aware, you should make sure you contact my office for advice so we can try to help you with the case. When you're injured in an accident, you have rights and you have options. Make sure to contact our office so we can get you the best legal advice and representation. Remember, the insurance company is never on your side. They're there to always shortchange you and give you the least amount of money you're entitled to and to always take advantage of you. Give us a call so we can protect your rights.